It's UV security. Man, these guys are everywhere these days. I'm telling you what, it's making it hard on wise guys like me, because I used to be able to show up, clip an alarm, maybe bonk a guard on the head, maybe pry open a door, whatever. I was in and out with the loot. Nobody was any the wiser. Now I show up and there's CCTVs watching me. Yeah, these guys are casing me before I can case your joint. That's right, they report suspicious activity so they can stop the crime before it ever happens. That puts a real pinch on my family jewels, if you know what I'm talking about. I think you do. Anyway, I think I can already hear the cops coming because they monitor all night long with real people. Are you kidding me? Used to be you could count on a guard to take a break. They got somebody watching all the time, Johnny on the spot, and that makes me nuts. All right, I definitely hear the cops. So if you want to protect your stuff and make life miserable for me, which it sounds like you do, and you don't want to pay a lot of coin, UV security. Now, I gots to go because they don't have lasagna in the clink, and I like my lasagna. I won't see you around. Woo!